Welcome to AllFreePik tutorials.
Hello friends, today I am going to show you creating wood grain texture effect in Adobe Photoshop. Gradient tool shortcut G. Click to open gradient picker. Left side color stop R25 G204 B0. Right side color stop R193 G120 B5. Draw vertical using with gradient tool. Double click on background layer to convert layer. Go to filter menu and distort and wave. Number of generators 999. Type scene. Wavelength minimum 998 and maximum 999. Amplitude minimum 740 and maximum 741. Scale horizontal 100% and vertical 100%. Undefined area. Wrap around. Make duplicate layer. Go to filter menu and oil paint. Stylization 4. Cleanliness 2.3. Scale 0.8. Bristol detail 10. Angular direction 300. Sign 1.3. Apply multiple blending mode. Fill 67%. Finally, your wooden texture background is now ready. Please follow steps and it's an easy way to create wood texture background design in Adobe Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.